The IVF lab is the heart of an IVF clinic. It has to be maintained in top order if we want to have consistent outcomes in our IVF clinic. What is an IVF lab? What does it do? IVF lab is not more than a 200-250 square feet enclosed area. It is covered from all sides. There is one entry or exit to ensure that we do not contaminate the air inside. The air inside is kept clean at all times. How do we do it? There's an air handling unit with a HEPA filter associated with it, which is actually filtering the air that's getting into the lab. This is working continuously 24/7, 365 days in a year. It doesn't stop even for a moment. Even the air handling unit and a HEPA filter has a backup. If something goes wrong with the primary unit, the secondary unit gets switched on immediately. The air cannot be compromised inside the lab. Why? Because it is your eggs and your sperms which are being handled inside the lab. Once the eggs have been collected from the ovum pickup and the sperms also have been collected, they are usually put together in a dish, or the sperms are injected into the eggs with the help of a ICSI micro manipulator, and then they are kept in what are known as incubators. What are incubators? Incubators are like specialized refrigerators. They have fixed carbon dioxide supply and oxygen supply, and a regular temperature maintained the same as body temperature, and a humidity is also maintained inside to mimic the exact conditions that may happen inside the body. And in these incubators, the embryos grow undisturbed so that they become good looking blastocysts, which can then be transferred back to your womb when the time has come. For all this to work properly, a whole system has to be in place. As we mentioned, the equipments need to be maintained in top order, the electric supply has to be proper, it also needs to have proper backups in its places. The gas supply that's happening, the carbon dioxide, the oxygen, and sometimes we also supply nitrogen also, they also need to have proper backups. The cleaning processes have to be in place. We do what is known as a technical stop for 2 to 3 days every year to overhaul every single piece of equipment so that they do not crank up or they do not break down throughout the year. The filters need to be changed every year. Everything has to be maintained and the data logging has to happen on a daily basis. Single idea that something is going wrong and we need to immediately get in and correct it so that the lab does not cause malfunction at all. This is how the lab's quality is maintained very strictly in any good IVF program, because that's where the pregnancies are actually created and we help you get pregnant. Thank you.